Hello friends, welcome to your favorite morning news show. And today we'll be discussing about morning headlines, but not headlines of newspapers, because as you know, newspapers were not published last evening because it was International Labour's Day or Workers' Day as it is called. So we'll focus on the headlines that appear on the portals of all the leading newspapers. Almost all the leading newspapers today have highlighted in their portals about 5 more new COVID-19 cases being reported from Jajpur, and this district has now emerged as one of the major hotspots in the state. The total number in that district has gone up to 45, and the total number in the state has climbed to 154 in the 154. And this news item has been prominently published in all the in all the portals. So this is the news number one, and the another news item that has found place in almost all the portals, that is death of an elderly person because of non-response of government agencies like 108, 104 and 100. The fellow who stayed in Bhumikal area, Basudev Nagar in Bhumikal area, actually his daughter called 108, 104, 100 seeking their response that she will take her father to hospitals, but none of these agencies responded in time, and she took her father by a cab aggregator Ola, and by the time she reached your Sunshine Hospital refused to entertain, and then they went to Sports Hospital, and they responded as the doctor alleges they didn't respond properly, and she again went to another hospital, and on the way her father died. And when they returned to the rented house, the house owner didn't allow them to enter the house. The body was lying on the road, and they were forced to cremate the body at Satyanagar crematorium. And all the portals, they have mentioned that this is an act of inhumanity. A person, the government agencies didn't respond in time, and the house owner didn't allow them to enter, and body was not allowed to kept in the room. It was all along lying on the road, and all the newspapers in their portal say that this is the death of humanity during this crisis. And the other headlines that have been prominently highlighted in the portals include that Odisha allows home quarantine of urbanites. That means persons, those who stay in urban centers and cities and towns, they will be allowed to remain in home quarantine, while the migrant workers, they have to stay. They will be stamped, and they will be kept in government quarantine systems in their respective areas. And some other portals like Indus Valley Times, Odisha News Online, they have highlighted about how the disease is assuming serious proportions. It is assuming serious proportions like Kerala, Tamil Nadu and Maharashtra to some extent, not fully. And but despite the governments making a lot of efforts, the returns from West Bengal and other parts, they have posed a serious challenge to the state government. So the state government has to step up its effort and to contain the disease. Otherwise, it will be a gigantic task for the state government in the coming days to handle the situations. So these are the morning headlines for the day, and tomorrow again I'll come with newspaper headlines. Until then, goodbye. Have a nice day. Thank you.